Do you know how to calculate oxidation number simply by using the structure? Let's see an example. Hello students, welcome to the day 5 of 50 days NEET challenge. For example, if we have two atoms A and B and if there is a single bond between them and if B is more electronegative than the A, then the more electronegative atom will be getting -1 and the less will be getting +1. If we have a double bond, there will be -2 over the more electronegative atom and +2 over the less electronegative atom. If we have triple bond, then -3 and +3. But if the bond is between same atoms, then the contribution towards oxidation number, that is 0. Now let's see the question which is mentioned over here, in which we have to find the oxidation number of carbon in the C3O2. So see, here you can see that there's a double bond between carbon and oxygen. So since oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon, so oxygen is having -2, carbon is having +2. Again you can see that -2 and +2. Also there's a double bond between both the carbons. Since both the atoms are same, so the contribution will be 0 in all the three cases. So now you can find out the oxidation number of all the three carbons. So this carbon is having +2, this carbon is having overall 0 and this carbon is also having +2. Now they are asking about the oxidation number of carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. So our correct answer is option number 1. In a similar way, you can find out the oxidation number of each bromine in the question which is mentioned below. Just solve it and do let me know the answer in comment section.